Hello 3D printer operators, or maybe someone who wishes to become one. Are you in a market for a new 3D printer? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to look at some of the best 3D printers in 2024. Links to the products from the video you can find down below in the description and comment section. Let's start with number 5 on this list, original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D. If you're on the quest for a reliable, high-performance 3D printer, buckle up, because the MK3S Plus might just be the 3D printing powerhouse you've been searching for. Let's explore what sets it apart. First things first, build quality. The MK3S Plus boasts a robust frame and a well-thought-out design, making it not just a printer, but a piece of engineering art. The aluminum frame provides stability, and the open frame design allows for easy monitoring of your prints. Now, on to print quality. With the MK3S Plus, you're not just getting prints, you're getting masterpieces. Thanks to the genuine E3D V6 Hotend and the innovative Trinamic Q3O drivers, this printer achieves layer resolutions that will leave you in awe. The silent printing mode ensures that your creative sessions won't disturb the piece. Connectivity and convenience are at the forefront. The MK3S Plus comes with a wealth of features, including a magnetic heat bed, automatic bed leveling, and filament sensors. The addition of a power recovery system means your prints won't be compromised in case of power outages. It's a printer designed to make your printing experience as smooth as possible. Assembly is a breeze with Prusa's user-friendly manual. Even if you're new to 3D printing, the step-by-step guide ensures that you can get your MK3S Plus up and running without a hitch. The Prusa team's commitment to open source ensures a vibrant community and constant improvements. The MK3S Plus doesn't just stop at printing. The intuitive LCD screen and the option for wireless connectivity provide a seamless user experience. Whether you're controlling your printer from the LCD or through Prusa's innovative Prusa Connect, managing your prints is a joy. In conclusion, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is a 3D printer that raises the bar in terms of quality, performance, and user-friendliness. It's a reliable workhorse for both beginners and seasoned makers. If you're serious about your 3D printing projects and demand nothing but the best, the MK3S Plus is a solid investment that will leave you with prints that truly stand out. Next up, number 4 on the list is Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro 3D. If you're on the lookout for an affordable yet feature-packed 3D printer, the Ender 3 S1 Pro might just be the creative companion you've been waiting for. Let's explore what makes it a standout choice. First off, let's talk about build quality. The Ender 3 S1 Pro maintains the sturdy frame design that the Ender series is known for. The aluminum extrusion frame provides stability, and the open design allows for easy access and monitoring of your prints. Print quality is where the Ender 3 S1 Pro shines. With a build volume that accommodates a variety of projects, this printer delivers reliable and precise prints. The direct drive extruder ensures better filament control, resulting in cleaner and more accurate prints. Connectivity and convenience are key features of the Ender 3 S1 Pro. The inclusion of a touchscreen interface simplifies the printing process, allowing for easy navigation and control. The silent stepper motor drivers contribute to a quieter printing experience, a welcomed feature for those late-night creative sessions. Assembly is a breeze with Creality's user-friendly instructions. Even if you're new to 3D printing, the step-by-step guide ensures a straightforward setup process. The printer comes semi-assembled, saving you time and allowing you to start printing sooner. The Ender 3 S1 Pro offers a user-friendly experience with the intuitive touchscreen, making it easy to control and monitor your prints. The printer also supports various filament types, giving you the flexibility to choose the material that best suits your project. In conclusion, the Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro is a fantastic entry-level 3D printer that balances affordability with performance. It's a reliable tool for makers who want to dive into the world of 3D printing without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a printer that delivers quality prints and offers a user-friendly experience, the Ender 3 S1 Pro is a solid choice. Now, number 3 on this list is ELEGOO Mars 4 Ultra. If you're in the pursuit of high precision and exceptional detail, the Mars 4 Ultra might just be the resin printer that takes your creations to the next level. Let's dive into what makes it a revolutionary choice. First things first, let's talk about precision. The Mars 4 Ultra is designed for creators who demand the utmost accuracy in their prints. With an improved XY resolution and an upgraded monochrome LCD screen, this printer delivers stunning details that will elevate your 3D prints to a whole new realm. Print quality is truly exceptional. The MSLA technology ensures layer curing times are minimized, resulting in faster print speeds without compromising on the final output. The printer's high-resolution monochrome screen contributes to sharper and crisper details, bringing your designs to life with unparalleled clarity. Connectivity and convenience are at the forefront of the Mars 4 Ultra. The user-friendly touchscreen interface makes navigating the printer a breeze, and the USB connectivity allows for straightforward file transfers. The dual-fan cooling system ensures stable and reliable printing performance even during extended printing sessions. Assembly is straightforward, and the printer's robust build inspires confidence in its durability. The resin vat is easy to remove and clean, streamlining the maintenance process and ensuring your printer is ready for the next masterpiece. The Mars 4 Ultra offers an intuitive user experience with its touchscreen controls and efficient resin handling. The printer is compatible with a variety of resins, providing you with the flexibility to choose the material that best suits your project. In conclusion, the ELEGOO Mars 4 Ultra MSLA 3D printer is a game-changer for resin printing enthusiasts. With its superior precision, faster printing speeds, and user-friendly design, it's a printer that caters to the demands of creators who seek perfection in every layer. If you're ready to take your resin prints to new heights, the Mars 4 Ultra is an excellent investment. Let's get to number 2 on this list, Anycubic 3D printer Kobra 2 Plus. If you're on the lookout for a reliable, feature-packed 3D printer, the Kobra 2 Plus might just be the creative powerhouse you've been waiting for. Let's explore what makes it a standout choice. First things first, build quality. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus boasts a robust frame with an enclosed design that not only enhances stability but also ensures a controlled printing environment. The all-metal construction adds a touch of durability, making this printer ready for a wide range of projects. Now, on to print quality. With a precise direct drive extruder and a powerful Tri-Gorilla mainboard, the Kobra 2 Plus delivers exceptional print quality with fine details and smooth surfaces. The dual-axis linear rails contribute to the printer's stability, resulting in accurate and consistent prints every time. Connectivity and convenience are at the forefront. The Kobra 2 Plus features a user-friendly touchscreen interface, making it easy to navigate through settings and monitor your prints. The auto-leveling sensor ensures a hassle-free setup, while the filament sensor adds an extra layer of reliability by pausing prints when filament is low. Assembly is a breeze, with Anycubic's comprehensive instructions. Even if you're new to 3D printing, the step-by-step guide ensures a straightforward setup process. The filament change and magnetic build plate make maintenance and print removal a seamless experience. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus offers a user-friendly experience with its touchscreen controls and efficient print handling. The printer's silent stepper motor drivers provide a quiet printing environment, making it suitable for both home and professional settings. In conclusion, the Anycubic 3D printer Kobra 2 Plus is a versatile and reliable 3D printer that caters to the needs of both beginners and experienced users. From its sturdy construction and exceptional print quality to the user-friendly features and convenient assembly, it's a printer that stands out in the crowded 3D printing landscape. If you're ready to take your 3D printing projects to the next level, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus is an Excel hoist. And lastly, number 1 on this list is LulzBot Mini 2. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, high-performance 3D printer that doesn't compromise on quality, the Mini 2 might just be the perfect addition to your creative toolkit. Let's explore what makes it a standout choice. First off, build quality. The LulzBot Mini 2 boasts a robust design with an enclosed frame that not only enhances stability, but also ensures a controlled printing environment. The all-metal construction adds durability, making this printer a dependable workhorse for a variety of projects. Now, on to print quality. With a precision nozzle and a heated PEI print surface, the Mini 2 delivers exceptional print quality with smooth layers and fine details. The self-leveling and self-cleaning features contribute to the printer's reliability, ensuring a hassle-free printing experience. Connectivity and convenience are at the forefront. The Mini 2 features a user-friendly LCD touchscreen interface, making it easy to navigate through settings and monitor your prints. The auto bed leveling system ensures that your prints start on a level surface every time, and the open filament system allows you to choose from a wide range of materials. Assembly is a breeze, and LulzBot provides comprehensive instructions to guide you through the setup process. The modular design allows for easy maintenance and upgrades, ensuring that your Mini 2 can evolve with your growing skill set and project requirements. The LulzBot Mini 2 offers a user-friendly experience with its touchscreen controls and efficient print handling. The printer's compatibility with a variety of slicing software adds flexibility to your workflow, and the open-source nature of the LulzBot ecosystem fosters a vibrant community of makers. In conclusion, the LulzBot Mini 2 is a testament to LulzBot's commitment to precision and reliability. From its sturdy construction and exceptional print quality to the user-friendly features and convenient assembly, it's a 3D printer that stands out in its class. If you're searching for a compact powerhouse that delivers on every print, the LulzBot Mini 2 is a top-tier choice. So that's it for our journey about some of the best 3D printers in 2024. If you liked the video, make sure to press the like button, leave a feedback in the comment section, and subscribe to receive updates about new videos. See you next time.